the all-new 2023 Honda Accord. Hello and welcome to the video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm at Garden State Honda in Passaic, New Jersey, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2023 Honda Accord EXL Hybrid. Honda went on a roll this year and redesigned the Accord, CR-V, HR-V, Pilot, and the Civic last year. Styling-wise, they went in a completely different direction than before, going for a very safe and minimalist look. And this has come with mixed reactions. A lot of people preferred the more aggressive styling of the outgoing model, but I think Honda was going for a bit more mass appeal. The interesting thing with the new Accord's grille is that it's different from the rest of the lineup. A lot of people online joke and say it looks like the grille on the old Ford Taurus, and I have to laugh because they're not wrong. But this looks significantly better than the Ford Taurus, with these gloss black crisscross diamonds going through with these 5 horizontal bars. You'll notice there's no more chrome on the front of the car. The grille is outlined in more gloss black. The lower section of the bumper features 3 more bars finished in flat black with a glossy mini splitter at the very bottom. And off at the edges are side air curtain vents. The full LED headlights do match the rest of the lineup. There's 3 sections of the main part of the housing. The 2 outer bulbs serve as the low beam and the middle is your high beam. The daytime running lights look sharp and also double as turn signals. Coming up the side of the car, LED turn signals are also located on the mirrors. The side profile of the car is also toned down quite considerably. All the flowy sharp creases are gone, and instead is just this one subtle line coming from the front and blending into the quarter panel. The window trim has some chrome up top with painted gloss black on the B-pillars. The wheels are a 10-spoke 17-inch alloy wheel, and the tires it's riding on are 225/50 Hankook Kinergy GT all-season tires. The rear of the car is the one thing I think everyone agrees is better than the old one. The Accord finally has full LED tail lights and turn signals. The housing stretches the entire width of the rear, and it just looks very clean and futuristic. They remind me a bit of the Lincoln Aviator, which is not a bad thing at all. The bumper is very smooth with only 2 integrated reflectors and nothing else going on. At the bottom is a nice upscale looking strip of gloss black. There's no visible exhaust because it's a hybrid. The trunk has 16.7 cubic feet of space, and the trunk lid is weighted so it'll go all the way up on its own when opened. Taking a look under the hood here is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 204 horsepower and 134 pound-feet of torque, and that's paired with an eCVT transmission. Fuel economy ratings are combined 48 miles per gallon, that's 44 miles per gallon in the city and 51 on the highway, and the capacity of the fuel tank is 12.8 gallons. If you're enjoying this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly videos. The interior is all new for 2023, and Honda did an outstanding job of cleaning things up and making it look very sophisticated. The first thing you'll notice that's just staring you in the face is this new massive 12.3-inch touchscreen. This is the biggest screen that Honda has ever made, and the picture quality is crystal clear. It's equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Bluetooth audio, Sirius XM, hands-free link, and an 8-speaker audio system. The dashboard is covered in a soft material, and just below are the new air vents that are in all the new Hondas that stretch across the passenger side. An interesting design element is that the mesh pattern on the inside of the vents is the exact same as the front grille. The door panels are soft all the way down to the armrests, but unfortunately not in the rear. The console down below has a nice leather-wrapped gear selector. There's a tiny bit of gloss black down there, not too much, and there's these cool square-shaped cup holders. The EXL is the first trim to have a full leather interior. The seats are very nice and comfortable, and the bottom parts are perforated. The front seats are heated, and the driver's seat is 10-way adjustable with memory settings. The steering wheel has good thickness, it's nicely bolstered, and is trimmed in very nice leather. Behind the steering wheel is this huge 12-inch full-color digital display. It shows your speedometer and tach, audio, gas mileage, and maintenance info, as well as a little mini Accord in the middle that works with all the car's safety features, which include adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, and traffic jam assist. The dual zone climate controls are physical buttons. Honda knows better than to mess with those. The knobs feel really solid and have this very hefty tactile click to them. The center console is huge with a 12-volt inside, and the glove box is a good size too. In front, you have 2 USB-C ports for connection and charging, and up above is a sunglass holder and a standard size moonroof. When I say the backseat has a ton of room, I mean it has an actual ton. 40.1 inches. If this seat had a recliner, I could be having a nice nap riding back here. On the center console are 2 air vents and 2 more USB-C ports. The center armrest is nicely padded with 2 cup holders, and there's 1 pocket behind the passenger seat. MSRP of this Honda Accord EXL Hybrid is $34,635. I want to give a big thank you to Garden State Honda for allowing me to come out today to show you guys the new Accord. They have 2 locations. They're located on Route 3 West in Clifton and on River Road in Passaic. So stop by if you're in North Jersey or the New York City metro area. Let me know your thoughts on the brand new Accord down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend and subscribe. It'll really help the channel grow. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.